Bonjour and welcome to Learn French with Nat. So, are there a few words that you're having a lot of trouble pronouncing in French? Well, stick around because this is part 2 in a series of words that you might be pronouncing wrong in French. All right? Stick around. Salut and welcome to Learn French with Nat. I'm Nat, your French teacher, and I'm here to teach you some French. So if you need to learn some French, work on that vocabulary, or improve your pronunciation, then stick around and don't forget to subscribe because I post 2 videos a week. All right? Now, let's get into the lesson. So, we're going over 10 words today. You ready? All right, the first one is squirrel. What's squirrel in French? It's écureuil. Un écureuil. Okay? Écureuil. Écureuil. Okay? You want to try? Vas-y. Good. So the next one is armchair. An armchair in French is un fauteuil. 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 Okay? Vas-y. Good. Very good. Okay, so the next one is a leaf. A leaf on a tree is une feuille. 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 Une feuille. Okay? You want to try? Vas-y. Good. So the next one is tree. A tree in French is arbre. 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 There's a double R in there. That's why I know it's tricky for some of you, okay? So, arbre. Vas-y. Très bien. So the next one is felt. Felt in French is feutre. 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 You want to try? Vas-y. Bien. So the next one is purr, for if a cat was to purr. So purr in French is ronronner. 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 Okay? Vas-y. Très bien. Bravo. Okay. So the next one is king. What's king in French? King is roi. Un roi. 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 Okay? Vas-y. Bien. Roi. Très bien. The next one is street. A street in French is une rue. 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 Okay? You want to try? Vas-y. Très bien. So the next one is rarely. So rarely in French is rarement. So I said that very fast. So the way you said properly would be rarement. 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 Vas-y, essaye. Good. So, like I said in another video, in Quebec we speak a little fast. So if I was saying it casually, I'd say rarement. Rarement. So I kind of remove the emphasis from the second re, rarement. But when you're practicing, practice correctly, okay? So rarement. And as you get more comfortable, then you can start speaking a little faster, okay? So the last one is rural. Rural in French is actually spelt the same way, but it's pronounced a little bit different because our R's are different. So rural in French is rural. 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 Okay? You try. Bien. Very good. All right. La question de la journée. The question of the day. Tell me more words that you're struggling with. Let's practice them together. I'll make another video, okay? Let me know in the comments below. Now, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Merci les amis.